Hi everyone, in this video I'll share some practical tips for Red Hat EX188 exam. Let's talk about the exam environment. EX188 is a 100% hands-on exam, no multiple choice questions, terminal only environment, no GUI, no internet access, only Red Hat official documentation links are allowed. Be comfortable working from the command line. Now let's talk about time management. Total duration of this exam is 2.5 hours. Time goes fast if not managed well. Read all the question at the start. Solve easy task first. Don't get stuck in one task. Keep last 20 to 30 minutes for review and verification. Now let's talk about preparation strategy. Practice with my videos and you will all set to go. Build image from scratch, tag image correctly, push image using fully qualified image name, practice volume, port and environment variables, run container in detached mode, check log and troubleshoot failures. Now let's talk about some common mistake people do during the exam. Not following instruction exactly as written and not log into Artifactory or image repo. In your case, key.io, just read the given instruction carefully during the exam. Using Docker command instead of podman, so you supposed to use podman command, not Docker command. Forgetting to tag image correctly, so you should correctly tag the image. Not using fully qualified registry name for the image. So if you don't use that, you will not able to push into private repository, which in some of the question we have seen earlier. Container build successfully but never tested. So you test everything, whatever you build. Ignoring volume and port requirements. So you just read the question carefully and see if there is any port mapping or any volume mount is given, then you should do that according to the ask. If somewhere you stuck, then you just move on to the next task. Not verifying work after moving on. So once you complete the task, you just verify whatever you have done, is it working fine or not. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get notified as soon as I upload any new video. See you in the next Red Hat exam preparation series. All the best for your exam.